TYPHON Machinery. Power you can trust.
TYPHON Terror 17 Pro, built for power, built to grow. Dig it and make it show. TYPHON's ready, let's go!
Think all mini excavators are the same? Think again. Meet the brand new machine that's about to dominate every job site, the TYPHON Terror XVII Pro. Powered by the reliable Kubota D902 engine and delivering 11.8 kilowatts of power, the TYPHON Terror XVII Pro is built to take on demanding jobs with confidence. Its advanced hydraulic operating system provides smooth, precise control for every movement. Need efficiency? With a 360-degree swing and a 10 revolutions per minute turning speed, this machine helps you work faster and smarter. Equipped with an air-cooled radiator, the Terror XVII Pro is engineered for dependable performance in tough working conditions. Dig deeper with a maximum digging depth of 7 feet. Reach farther with an 11-foot digging radius, and load materials with ease at an unloading height of 6 feet. Powerful, precise, ready for every challenge. The all-new TYPHON Terror XVII Pro, built to dig deeper, work faster, and help you get more done. Contact us today and experience the power of TYPHON.
Visit our website, typhonmachinery.com. Contact us for more information.